information will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There are reports of people all across the globe disintegrating at an alarmingly fast rate. Said reports describe this disintegration looking similar to that of porcelain breaking apart. Animals, plants, and other non-human objects such as buildings are also vanishing into thin air in a similar manner. Planets are swelling up like balloons to extreme proportions, to the point where they are visible within the Earth's atmosphere, and the Sun and other stars have exploded. Scientists have determined that the universe is unstable, and as a result, everything that exists within it down to the molecular scale will vaporize at any moment. That would mean the universe, including the Earth and all life on it, will cease to exist, and nothing, not even atoms, will be left behind. This event is referred to by scientists as the Big Crumble. There is nothing humanity can do to prevent this event from reaching its full potential. It is impossible to survive. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Anyone still listening to this message is advised to follow these instructions. Gather your friends, family, pets, and anything that makes you comfortable, and await these final moments. If you are religious, pray for forgiveness. We will now conclude this message with the national anthem before going off the air forever. God bless America, and goodbye.